Hello everyone, this is Faisal Haroon with your weekly performance update for the week ending April 10th, 2026. This past week, our benchmark SPY posted a gain of 3.12% as markets reacted to the ceasefire agreement between the US and Iran. Let's dive into how our strategies performed. First, the disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investments carry risk of loss. Performance numbers may be hypothetical or based on historical data. You must agree to the terms of service at the link shown on the screen. If you continue to watch, it will be assumed that you do. Let's start with ETF Blend 120. The strategy gained 0.05% this week. Year to date, the strategy is up 3.36% compared to SPY's negative 0.09%. Over 1 year, it has returned 7.45%, and over 10 years, it has delivered an impressive 46.02% compared to the benchmark's 14.64%. This strategy continues to demonstrate its value over the long term. Moving on to ETF Blend 101.15. The strategy posted a solid gain of 2.83% for the week. Year to date, the strategy stands at 6.9%, while over 1 year, it has delivered 36.62%, significantly ahead of SPY's 25.27%. The 10-year performance shows 25.8%, well above the benchmark. This strategy continues to showcase strong momentum across multiple timeframes. Now let's look at ETF Blend 102.25. The strategy saw a minor decline of negative 1.5% this week, which is normal for a strategy that prioritizes capital preservation. Year to date, the strategy is up 0.18%, ahead of the benchmark's negative 0.09%. Over 1 year, it has returned 5.6%, and the 10-year performance is particularly strong at 57.93% compared to SPY's 14.64%. Turning to ETF Blend 103.20, our free strategy available to all subscribers. The strategy gained 2.09% this week. Year to date, the strategy is up 6.19%, well ahead of the benchmark. Over 1 year, it has delivered 31.29% compared to SPY's 25.27%, and over 10 years, it stands at 22.67%. This free strategy continues to demonstrate excellent performance for our community. Shifting over to ETF Blend 235, the strategy posted a gain of 2% for the week. Year to date, the strategy is up 1.84%, outperforming SPY's negative 0.09%. Over 1 year, it has returned 20.7%, and the 10-year performance is outstanding at 38.51% compared to the benchmark's 14.64%. This strategy continues to deliver solid results across all major timeframes. Now let's turn to our aggressive strategies. As a reminder, these strategies have higher volatility by design, so it's recommended that they be traded alongside less correlated strategies. ETF Blend 340 experienced a pullback of negative 2.84% this week. Year to date, the strategy is down 6.19%, and over 1 year, it has returned 7.04%. However, the 10-year performance tells the real story with an impressive 76.46% compared to SPY's 14.64%. Now let's examine ETF Blend 301.20. The strategy saw a pullback of negative 5.37% this week. Year to date, the strategy is down 2.37%, and over 1 year, it has returned 15.72%. The 10-year performance is exceptional at 94.44%, far exceeding the benchmark's 14.64%. While this week's performance was challenging, the long-term track record speaks volumes, and we expect recovery as market conditions normalize. Finally, ETF Blend 302.25. The strategy gained 2% for the week. Year to date, the strategy is up 2.36%, ahead of the benchmark's negative 0.09%. Over 1 year, it has delivered 32.17% compared to SPY's 25.27%, and the 10-year performance is remarkable at 78.7%. This strategy rounds out our portfolio with strong performance across the board. Overall, this was a solid week with the majority of our strategies demonstrating positive returns and continuing to outperform over the long term. Our strategies are built for long-term wealth creation, and weeks like this reinforce why we stay the course through all market conditions. If you found this update valuable, please share it with friends and family at Zehnlabs.com. Remember, we're investing for decades, not days. Thank you for being part of our community, and I'll see you again next week.